Alright, so welcome back. This video will take a look at the learning modules. So how did we get to the learning modules? Over in the course menu to learning module. Let's take a look at learning module number 1. So you won't see facilitation notes, that's just for the instructors, but you'll see each item, and then once you view it, it'll give you a little check mark. So this opens up, gives you a nice video. Once you watch the video and you go back, they'll have a nice little check mark that you completed the task, right? So in resources, let's spend a few minutes on this one. This one's key. Now let's talk about the resources section. So this is where you can find the case studies, the textbook that you need to review for this section. You can also find additional support. So if you need additional reading, this is your key right here. So how do you get to the textbook? You don't get to it any other way than to come through here into these links. Once you log into it the first time, it will take you directly into the textbook just like it did. Right? Now, the first time you log in, you'll have to enter your credentials, but don't go to the Wiley Plus textbook any other way than via that link. You won't get there. You'll get frustrated. Trust me. But this is your textbook. This will be where you do your readings, and you only have to do this specific chapter, chapter 3, chapter 1, another section of, so basically these are the sections, right? Social responsibility section, organization sections, manager section. This is all you have to do, right? And then when you see chapter 11, then you would go into chapter 11. Now you can open it multiple times and get multiple parts of the textbook open, but always access it through these links. Otherwise, you'll get kind of frustrated with the textbook. Now, here's my suggestion on how to attack a learning module. I would look at what is due, so your deliverables for the week. So, for example, when you scroll down here, you have to do a discussion board. That's the first item, 1-1, right? You have to do a learning instructor connection. I'll walk through this in a separate video with you. You also have to do a consulting report. What you might want to do there is open up the requirements in the rubric. This tells you everything. These are the instructions, and I'll do a separate video on this one as well, but it tells you exactly for an upcoming town hall with the CEO of your company. All business analysts have been asked to draft a consulting report. And I'll do a separate video on this one, but this is key. So what I would do is I would read the key deliverables, then go back, read the chapters, because then you know exactly what you're looking for when you do your readings. So you need to differentiate various functional areas, departments, business units for your chosen company. So you got to choose a company and you got to choose it from this list, right? Analyze these functional areas, departments, and business units together to achieve strategic and operational goals. So there you know kind of overall what you got to do. And when you start doing your text readings, you can say, okay, I know I'm going to select Apple or Walmart or Amazon, one of the companies, or Disney from the list. This is what I'm looking for when you go through and you do the text readings. So this is how all the learning modules are set up. So all the instructions, all the access you need is inside of this learning module. So I'll go through and do a few more other helpful videos for each one.